Hey there, my name is Ben Fankhauser, and I am a Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud. If you're here, chances are you already know about Salesforce's Agentforce and are wondering, how can it take my support team's live messaging to the next level? It's a great question, and one we at SOLVD.cloud are starting to hear all the time. Maybe you've tried chatbots before. While they can be useful, let's be real, with the push towards agentic AI, a support chatbot with multiple menu items could be considered rudimentary by your customers in the next few years. That's where Agentforce comes in. Let me show you how we're transforming live messaging by replacing bots with highly skilled Agentforce AI agents. For this demo, I'm assuming two things. The first is that you have Agentforce enabled and you have activated a Salesforce Agentforce AI agent. The second is that you have already set up live messaging using messaging in-app and web and are using an omni-channel flow as the routing type. As you can see here, my omni-channel flow is called messaging start. The routing type is omni flow. Now, with those two assumptions met, we can level up live messaging with Agentforce. As you can see here, we are currently routing to a bot. So this route work action right here, the service channel is live message and it routes to a bot, and the bot's name is Luna Bot. There are only two things that you need to do to swap out a bot and replace it with an AI agent. The first thing is change this route to Agentforce Service Agent. It's very important that the only thing they offer right now is Service Agent. So your Agentforce agent has to be a service agent. And then the next thing is you just go ahead and select the service agent. Now, once you have saved that, it will be active. You have replaced your rudimentary chatbot with menu items to now an AI agent that will feel and seem like a human interaction. Let's see this in action. If I go here and click right here, oh, it already has a service agent. So instead of a bot joining, a service agent joins and you can interact with it however you want. Hey, can you help me with the case? It will then respond, and it will feel like a human. Of course, he would be happy to help, the Agentforce service agent. And now, instead of clicking on menu items, you're switching it to an AI agent. Now, I know what you're asking. Why is this important? My bot works great. My customers find what they need. Well, with Agentforce, customers connect directly with what seems like real people and not a machine. I think there are three reasons why this shift to an AI agent is really important. One, like I said before, chatbots will seem out of date. Not only is Mark Benioff saying this, all tech leaders are saying it. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, said, AI agents will become the primary way we interact with computers in the future. This is the future. If you don't want to get left behind in the next 5 years, ditch the chatbot and adopt AI agents. Number two, instant service without bogging down support teams. A customer sends a message and an AI agent hops on the live session instantly. There's no more waiting in queues, waiting in lines, and waiting for support. And number three is real-time engagement. Agents provide personalized, thoughtful responses, solving problems on the first try, and limiting the time that customers take to get their questions answered. Agentforce isn't about adding AI to Salesforce. It's about providing your customers with a great experience and driving key business outcomes. The results: higher customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and a live messaging experience that stands out from the competition. So, ready to take your live messaging to the next level? Here's what to do next. Contact the Solve team by clicking on the link below, and we will help you get started on scoping out a project. Thanks. Bye.